If you know me, you know that I love asparagus and that I'm also heavy-handed when it comes to seasoning my food. Your girl just loves some flavor, but at what cost? That's why I've partnered with Bounty today. A few of my favorite seasonings that I like to put on my asparagus is garlic powder, onion powder, and red chili powder. But 9 times out of 10, there's seasoning all over my counters. When it comes to Bounty, you really only need one paper towel. Most people tend to overuse them when cleaning up their messes. But with Bounty's absorbable and durable paper towels, you really only need one sheet to tackle multiple messes. And now my counter is perfectly clean and I can get back to my asparagus. And they turned out perfect. Link in bio to shop Bounty.